Hello, 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 hello. What a phenomenal time to be alive. I wanted to shoot a very quick video. I talked the other day about how I was moving away from ClickFunnels. So just to give you an example here, this is a funnel I'm building like right now for a client. Now actually it's doing it already. Can you see how I'm trying to like hover on certain things and it's glitchy, it's jumping around, and actually, you know, you try and, so for instance, if I try and land on a certain thing, it just disappears before I can click on the plus button. And this is a funnel I'm building for a client, a book sale, and it's just lots of things that are very glitchy with it. It's actually not jumping about as bad right now, but it does have its moments where I can't actually like get a new section, etc., or I can't get a new row. And a lot of the times it's when it's where would it be? Anyway, it happens a lot. Like here, look, you see how I'm trying to. It just anyway. So there's lots of glitches going on. And if you are interested in this book, this is one of my clients, the Tao of Influence. It's on pre-release. We're going to be finishing this in the next few days. If you are interested, just put a message down below that you're interested in the book, and I'll send you this link when we finish this page. And now, as this is in GroovePages, and let me just show you what I love about it is, let's just say we're going to build a brand new website. So if you're a web designer, a web builder, or a funnel builder, or you want to be a web designer or a funnel builder, even if you had no experience, for example, and right now you're sat at home and you're panicking and worrying about how can I make money, you could, I haven't checked actually, you could go and get the package that I've purchased, which is an all access, unlimited amount of domains, unlimited pages, unlimited funnels, unlimited websites for a one-time flat fee. You never have to pay anything again. So for example, this is just a template. So let's say you're building a new client a website. So boom, we've got a home page here. And again, you have to bear with me because obviously it's brand new to me. So I'm still kind of getting used to how everything's laid out. It's just a slight different layout. Oh, there you go, pages. So for example, let's just show you how quickly I could set up an entire website. So let's just use some of these templates. Let's use this one over here. And let's call this the About page. Sorry, my internet is going a little bit slow. So what you'll see, what I love about, I mean, there's so many things I love about this, but what you'll see is on the home page, see, I've not done anything on the home page, that's instantly added this page. So if I go and add another page, let's say, let's go to an e-commerce one. Let's say we're going to add a products page. Did I scroll past it? I'm just trying to do this quickly. So e-commerce, and let's call this our products. It really frustrates me when my computer goes slow. So again, you probably see, once I go back to it, bear with me. It's probably me being too quick. I'm too impatient. That's one of my problems. Anyway, let's add another page whilst it's toying with itself. Let's add a different home page. Again, I'm just using this as an example, and you can see I've we only purchased this like 2 days ago. So let's call this the Contact Us page. So I will myself have a lot of templates in here so that I've got pre-made pages. So here's what I really love. So let's go back to the home page for a second. So now can you see how that's automatically added that? Now if I wanted to, I could potentially use this as a global, where is it now? Yeah, so I could come into here and global setting, and then I could add this as a global setting so that every page within this website has got the same header. It's so easy. Whereas in ClickFunnels, I'd have to manually go in and change every single header, or I could save that template and then I'd have to go and add it in every single page. So I love that. So let's say, for example, now I want to build a proper website with lead magnets. Let's just use this one for now. I know it says upsell, but, oops, sorry. Didn't mean to do that. Let's select that. So let's say we've got a lead magnet on our home page. Let's call this lead magnet 1 or lead 1. What's really cool here is I don't want it to be showing up in the home bar, do I? Because that would just be really weird. Okay, so all I need to do is just drag it into hidden pages. Boom. So now when I go to the home page, it's no longer showing here. So I can have 4 or 5 different lead magnets spaced around over my website, which you should have. For example, this could just be a button. Let's get rid of that, and let's. In fact, I don't need to go into editing the entire thing. I just wanted to kind of show you some of the things that are really cool. Now the other thing is, let's add. Let's just call this product 2. I'm trying to think what else you'd have. Let's say events. Let's call it events. So this page is the events page, but I don't want it to show in the top bar. So all I'm going to do is drag it underneath here and just put it down in underneath, and then instantly, that's what I love about that. Look, instantly I've got a drop down, and that again would go across all these pages throughout this website. Obviously, I'm doing this very quickly. I'm adding random pages, and I've added 1 lead magnet down here, but I could add more. But yeah, I mean, you can probably see how much time that already, just building a website, that saved me. And you can see how nice and clean it is, nice design. So if I want to go in here and edit anything, I've got all the global settings in here. I'm going to put it into expert mode, so I've got more settings. I've got global styles. So this is what I could set this as create a new global style for a certain section. I can go in and change the text, the fonts, the colors, the size, the weight, spacing, background color, image, borders. I mean, what you can edit in. I love this, how you can do the spacing. Whereas in ClickFunnels, like for example, if in ClickFunnels I've got 3 sections here, I'm kind of stuck with dragging this little thing across, and then let's see how that makes that really big, and it's not quite how I want it. Yeah, you can play around in here, but then it messes around on mobile. So there's some really cool spacing, sizing. Sorry, it's dropping off the bottom. Widths, etc., and shadows, and also you've got your custom CSS, because this is all built on HTML. It's like a proper website. Anyone who's got coding skills, you can add any kind of additional CSS in here and it will work. Also love this up here, so I can instantly see how does this look on a mobile. Okay, so I can change how it looks. So okay, I don't like the text size on there, so I'm just going to drop the text size on mobile down so it goes to that. Now I want to go on a tablet. Okay, yeah, I want to change this one. You could, so you instantly you can have a, okay, so that doesn't work there, does it? So let's change that. Let's go to the text size. Let's drop that down a little bit more. Boom. So can you see how quick and easy this is? So you've got, where is it? Laptop as well. Now this would be, this would be a real ball ache on ClickFunnels. In fact, I wouldn't have any way of viewing it. So here I'd probably just drag some things around and space this out, but I'm not going to do it now. But it gives me a flavour of how does this look on every device, okay? And I can then modify it and change it and get it to work for me. And I can go into my pages, so I can now add additional blocks. So let's say I want all blocks. You can see in here they've pretty much done everything for you. So you want a block for any kind of format, they've got it here. If you want individual elements, and none of this is revolutionary, but these kind of things are, like H1 tags, and that is a bit technical, but this means that Google's going to be searching for all of these kind of things, and it's going to rank this website properly, whereas in ClickFunnels it will not rank it. What else is? I'm still learning new things in here. I'm still seeing new things and going, wow. So for instance, round images, they're great. Carousel. So I can add an image carousel. I can't do that in ClickFunnels without going into the coding and adding additional coding. Let's have a look. Oh, that's my alarm going off. I think I have a coaching call. Anyway, so I think I showed this on the previous video. So for example, I could add an image here. Previously, I would have had to go to one of my guys and get them to, if I wanted an image here with, let's say, let's add an image in here. Let's just add a free stock image. I don't know what I'm saying. Running just seems to fit. You got all these stock images. Let's add that one. I just wanted to give you an example. Oh, actually, running fits with a watch like that. So let me add that. Here you can see my internet's going very, very slowly. Okay. Select that and let's update. Boom. See how that's instantly added that in there now. Previously, if I wanted to add a watch image, I'd have had to go in and get one of my guys to design it in Paint and lots of stuff like that. I'm just looking for other things that are different. So we've got Google Maps, which is really cool. Wow, look at that. So for a website, I know I'd have had to go through a complicated process of messing around. The countdown clocks are really cool as well. You can go in the settings here and you can change all of that and fix. Anyway, so I don't want to get too technical. I just wanted to give you an overview of how cool this is. But what I love about it is for websites, so all these headers, all the integrations for websites, etc., and even the pop-ups. So on ClickFunnels, if I wanted to add a pop-up, I've got the option of one pop-up. So for example, here, that's the one pop-up I can add. Whereas over on GroovePages, I can add 5 or 6. So if I had a button 1, standard, home, I'd obviously add something like this. Boom, and I'd change the text. That's pop-up 1, and then I'd save that, and I'd connect. Oh, sorry, I'd connect that to. I didn't save anything. I didn't add anything. So again, this is just me trying to do it quickly. But then I could add an additional one. So let's say I've connected this button. Let's say this wasn't here. Okay, and let's say I get rid of that little box there, and now they've got to click on that. Now I can connect that to that pop-up, and then I can go and add another pop-up. So I can have 4 or 5 pop-ups on one page. Really easy, really simple. Integrate it, connect it to the next page, or connect it to my autoresponder, and away I go. Now I've made a bit of a mess of everything, but I hope you see that that this is really cool, and the fact that you can do whatever you need to do in here. Obviously they've added some basic templates to get started, because it's just coming out of beta. They've done beta testing, so they're coming out of beta now, and I'm kind of excited. So you can see here it's got some training. There's loads more. But listen, if you are interested in looking at this, I know that Mike Filsaime has given me access to allow people to get in at the same level that I'm in. So it means you pay a one-time fee and you never pay a monthly amount again. They're going to be launching this in the next few days at $97 a month, like ClickFunnels, and then there'll be a high level. But you can get in right now for a one-time flat fee forever. Unlimited domains, unlimited funnel pages, unlimited websites, unlimited, you get funnel pages, you get GrooveCart, you get, I'm not even going to go into all the stuff you get. You get an email autoresponder integrated. There are other things I can't remember, but if you're interested, go down below, comment, GroovePages interested, whatever, it doesn't matter. If you're sat at home right now, twiddling your thumbs doing nothing, you could overnight become a web designer if you wanted to be, just by, you can see how easy this is. And obviously I'm just going to go in and delete all of these stuff in a minute, but you could become a funnel builder. And if you want some support and help, I'm thinking about throwing together a free course to show you how to become a web designer or a funnel builder. If you're interested in that, please let me know. But this software will facilitate you doing that in the shortest amount of time. So you can probably see here Grooves Apps is currently in beta. We're just coming out of beta, but it's kind of exciting. I like it. Obviously, I love ClickFunnels. I love what they do, and I'm still building stuff in there for my clients who want it in ClickFunnels right now. But for me, I'm moving everything across to this software, so it'll save me $297 a month that I currently pay to ClickFunnels, and I'm never going to have to pay a monthly payment a month. So I've just actually saved myself, I don't even know what that is. What's $297 times 12? It's like $3.5 grand a year. Wow, that's a huge saving. Anyway, yeah, comment down below if you're interested. I will send you over my private link. This is not to be shared either. Please respect that. It's still in beta. Otherwise, have a phenomenal day wherever you are, and I will speak to you soon. Bye for now.